Hi everyone, this is Jet City JT, just checking in with you. Hey, it looks like I'm going to be playing Ark, but I'm not really going to. I went out and I bought some sound bites that I want to play for you, that I want to use for my future YouTube videos. If you have one that you like best, please put in the video's comments which one you like best so that I know that one is a good one to play. That's popular. Anyway, I'm going to play a sound bite, and you're going to have to guess what it's saying or what it is. So you ready? Okay, here's the first one. I hope you hear this well enough. Did you hear what that is? Do you know what that is? It happens at soccer. When somebody scores, it's a goal. Goal. Okay, ready for number two? What is that? If you play games, you know what that is. That means game over. Yep. Here's one line I always use. Whatever, like totally.
Whatever.
Hopefully you got that one. This one is really hard. I didn't know what this is, and I still don't know what this is. But it's called twaddle.
Tom Tiddly-too. Tom Tiddly-too.
I don't know where that comes from. That's odd. Okay, what is this one? Yes, that's right. This is a cartoon. Now you'll never guess this next one. I lie. Yep, you're right. It's a baby. I can't play it again. It's just too obnoxious. That one is kaboom. Let's see if you can figure out the next one. It's sci-fi. Science fiction. I guess that's what their idea of sci-fi is. I was hoping it would be something from like X-Files. Do you know what that one is? It's a mosquito. The next one's pretty easy. Cats fighting. That's a dentist drill. Yes, it is charge. Good job. Sorry, I had to play it again. What's this one? It's somebody playing a terrible violin song. Terrible. Microphone feedback. You know what that is. It's oh yeah. This one's kind of hard. I didn't know this was the name of it, but the name is Too Bad, So Sad. So that surprised me. You can guess what this one is. A chew, gesundheit, and all that good stuff when you sneeze. Oops, excuse me. When somebody burps. That's pretty gross. Somebody throwing up. It's called yuck. And then last but not least, think of a whoopee cushion. It's called whoopee. Definitely sounds like somebody foofing, farting, and all that good stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce my sound bites to you. Hopefully you like some of them. Let me know the ones on my video that you like and would like to hear again in my future videos. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. This is Jet City JT checking out.